Hi students, today I will explain permanent magnet moving coil instruments. What is meant by PMMC? PMMC means permanent magnet moving coil instruments. Why you are say this instruments is permanent magnet moving coil instruments means we are using two permanent magnets and in this instrument coil will be rotates. That's why we are say permanent magnet moving coil instrument. Permanent magnet moving coil instrument consists of two permanent magnets, moving coil, axle, or spindle, two control springs, light aluminum pointer, uniform scale, joint bearings. These all are the parts of PMMC. Construction details of PMMC means the light aluminum square coil is placed between the two permanent magnets. This coil is supported with the help of axle. Axle is supported with the help of joint bearings. The light aluminum pointer also attached to the axle. One of the control spring is placed top of the moving coil. Another control spring are placed bottom of the moving coil. These two control springs are placed in opposite direction. Why? Because the axle in which constant position is necessary. That's why two control springs are placed in opposite direction. This joint bearings reduce the friction and also helpful to rotate easily to the spindle. When we are applying current to the moving coil, it produces the flux. Also flux flows to the north pole to south pole. Moving coil instrument produces flux is deflects to the main flux. The coil rotates and this flux disturbs with the main flux. It produces the deflecting torque. Deflecting torque TD or deflecting force. This deflecting force causes spindle rotates. The spindle is attached to the pointer, means the pointer also moves from initial position to over a calibrated scale. Thank you.